once the video was thought of, तो सबका प्लान ये था कि इस बार रफ्तार को हीरो बनाना है. अब हीरो के लिए हीरोइन चाहिए. That's where Surbhi came in. I'm so used to working makes. I had to get a Nagin.
I was asking so many questions. I was talking to directors, with the choreographer. We were having meetings and all because you know it's not that you are getting paid for something. You just go there, do your work. No, it's not the vibe that I like. It's not my vibe. When I'm on board, I'm on board. Like then it's my project.
This Nagin doesn't shed her skin, you know. वो जैसी यहाँ पे दिख रही है वैसी वो ऑन सेट भी होती है, वैसी वो काम करते टाइम ऑफ स्क्रीन ऑन स्क्रीन इट्स द सेम पर्सन.
Hi, this is Surbhi Jyoti and Raftaar.
You're watching us on E Times. Keep it locked in.
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here, and with me today I have the gorgeous Nagin, Surbhi Jyoti, and with her I have Raftaar. Both of them have worked together in a beautiful song, which is of course doing rounds on the YouTube channel. Let's talk to them only on E Times. Welcoming both of you on E Times.
Thank you so much, Samina. Thank you.
First of all, Raftaar, the question is to you. What made you make this song along with Surbhi?
गाना तो बन गया था. गाना was like a banter between me and my manager, Ankit. तो अंकित ने बोला यार तू कुछ ऐसा एंटरटेनिंग पॉप टाइप कुछ बना नहीं रहा है, काफी टाइम हो गया. मैंने कहा कोई मुश्किल थोड़ी है यार, एंड उस बैंटर में ही गाना बन गया. उसके बाद once the video was thought of, तो सबका प्लान ये था कि इस बार रफ्तार को हीरो बनाना है. अब हीरो के लिए हीरोइन चाहिए. That's where Surbhi came in.
You got like one of the top, actress in the TV world. Like you got one of the best heroines, I must say that.
I'm so used to working makes. I had to get a Nagin in.
So, Surbhi, for you, how was the switch completely? From Nagin to this song, how was the switch for you? Especially such a beautiful music with, of course, Raftaar.
Yes. See, I've been doing videos, but not with that much of Raftaar, as I said before, because I'm very picky and choosy. But when actually Raftaar's name popped up, I was like, oh my God, I'm his fan. I mean, I was like, wow. Yeah, let's do it. And then I thought, एक बार गाना सुन लेती हूँ. तो मैंने जब गाना सुना, फिर यार गाना तो actual में बहुत अच्छा था. And yeah, I immediately said yes.
Were you comfortable doing those scenes? Because when we saw the video, it was not that easy, the way it has been portrayed, the way the entire song is. I saw the song and I really loved it. But it doesn't come across like, it's very easy. It's just not like, just like the normal song which we listen to. How was it for you moving on this one?
For me, it was a cakewalk. It was the easiest piece of work I've ever done, and all credit goes to the team. The people over there were really, really good. But I really had fun. It was like a picnic for us. Not that we weren't serious and we were having fun, but yes, we were having fun, but we were working as well. So yeah, it was because of the people. They were good.
Raftaar, talking to you, the song is already like a hit on YouTube. 1 crore within 2 days is a very big number. How does that make you feel?
Nice, man. It feels like I'm doing the right job. And, it's rewards, as you say. And I think abhi thodi der pehle se, just before this interview, YouTube only shared it, which was like like themselves only unhi ka platform hai, wahi share kar rahe hain. So, see, the vibe is amazing. And to be honest, I've been doing this so long now that, the thought that you have to achieve it continuously, one after the other. Ab ye kiya, iske baad ek aur aisa. It adds up pressure.
Yeah.
And that it's like this sense of, expansion in me. कि मुझे लगता है कि अब मेरे को और expand करना चाहिए. अपने barriers को तोड़ना चाहिए और ज़्यादा कुछ अलग, फिर कुछ अलग. So it's that newness that, makes us run after the next project and then the next project.
You always love to experiment. And sometimes maybe while experimenting, some music, do fail also. How does that feel?
Not bad at all, man. I think a good story is a collection of a lot of failures than a victory, rather than just winning. People remember people more when they lose and win. It's always David versus Goliath. It's always the underdog versus the world. So I never feel like I'm failing. I feel like I'm learning.
And Surbhi, when you say that, music is something which you have, you have done a lot of music video, but this was a completely different experience for you. Are you very selective when it comes to choosing such music videos?
I think I'm very selective of all of my work. Like, I think, as Raftar said, that, as an artist, we are responsible towards our fans with whatever we are doing. So everything comes with a responsibility, with the price. And that's why I've been very selective with whatever I've been doing. And I will follow that pattern in the future also, because I'm in no rush. I'm in a very good space. I really want to do good work with good people. That's my focus right now.
But also, Surbi, you have been also managing your TV career. You have been doing a lot of, even OTT platforms, and then you're also doing, songs. So your schedule like that is quite hectic. How do you manage that?
Yeah, this is what I'm here for. This is what I enjoy the most. And this is what I want to do. I do it with a lot of ease. This is what I want to do. That's it. It really makes me happy. I do it and I continuously want to do it.
And when it comes to the choices of work, what you have done so far, every project which you have picked up has got few praises, be it Nagin, be it Qubul Hai. In fact, Qubul Hai 2 is also getting a lot of, of course, buzz. It's there and people are praising about it. So how does that feel?
Feels amazing. Of course, it feels nice. It feels that, we have done something, me and my fans, me and the people who love me. It's like I've done something. It's like how aap kisi ke liye khana banate. It's like how you're serving tea to your father. It's almost the same feeling that you have done something for your loved one, and now you're just waiting for the response. And when they also love it, it becomes big, it becomes huge, it becomes popular. And that's what happened with the song also. Like, me and Raf, we were talking and we were like, Raf, trust me, more than you, it's my song now. Of course, you are the singer, you are the composer, you have done the song, but trust me on that, it's my song. But in my head, ab ye mera gana hai, and I have to do it right. I was asking so many questions. I was talking to the directors, with the choreographer. We were having meetings and all, because it's not that you are getting paid for something, you just go there, do your work. No, it's not the vibe that I like. It's not my vibe. When I'm on board, like, then it's my project.
Talking to both of you, what you say, Raftar?
I can vouch for it. This Nagin doesn't shed her skin, वो जैसी यहाँ पे दिख रही है वैसी वो on set भी होती है, वैसी वो काम करते time off screen, on screen, it's the same person.
That's quite nice. I of course, like, we can see that, we can vouch for it too, because we have seen her performances. But also talking to both of you about your careers, you Raftar being a big name right now in the music world, and Surbi, you being a big name in the acting industry. One interesting memory you both have had in your respective genre industry.
There were a lot. I mean, yeah, there are a lot.
But something which, like, whenever you recollect, you feel very happy and very, very cheerful whenever you think about it.
So I'll tell you that had happened before also. It happened recently as well. My driver had to go somewhere. I took a auto rickshaw, and we stopped at a signal. There was this girl in another auto rickshaw. She just peeped out and she said, oh my god, that's Surbi Jyoti. And the other girl also peeped out. She's like, पागल है क्या, वो ऑटो में जाएगी, सुरभि नहीं है वो. And they just ignored me, and I really want to tell them that no, I'm Surbi. Say yes, say hi, but no, that was funny.
Wow. What about you, Raftar?
Exactly like Surbi's. I went to this my first award show in UK, और मैं बर्मिंघम था, BBC एशिया का वो था, और मेरा नाम अनाउंस हुआ. मुझे तो यकीन ही नहीं था कि मुझे मिलेगा, तो मैं ध्यान ही नहीं दे रहा था. मुझे बगल वाले ने ऐसे हिला के बोला, My G, yeah, they calling you up, bro. They calling you up, bro. 5 मिनट तक तो मुझे वही समझ नहीं आया कि वो मुझे क्या कहना चाह रहा है. Just because of the thick accent. फिर उसके बाद मैं बेवकूफ की तरह ऊपर गया, and I'm so lost. I was like, yeah, thank you. कह रहे कुछ कहिए, मैं कहा, this is for Desi hip hop, and I moved. That's it.
Wow.
And me, I'm a person with a lot. उस टाइम पहली बार ऐसा हुआ कि मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आया क्या हुआ. One and only experience. Yeah, very memorable.
Oh, that's very overwhelming.
So we are also talking about your acting career. Where do you want to take it further? Apart from, being a part of the TV industry and of course OTT now, where do you want to take it further?
See, I'll tell you what, I have not set a goal. I don't have a target. It's a journey. I really want to enjoy my journey. I don't have a target like this is where I want to reach. No, I'm on a journey. I've chosen my path. I want to enjoy this journey and this path. Whatever is coming, like on my way, be it a good music video, be it a film, be it a show, whatever, I'm just going to do that because I don't have to reach anywhere. Where I am, I always wanted to be there. I am there, and now I have to enjoy, and that's what I'm focusing on.
Raftaar, what about you when it comes to your career journey? Where do you want to take it forward?
जो मैंने सोचा था ना कि मेरे को ये सब अचीव करना है, वो मेरी जिंदगी में टचवुड 2 सालों के अंदर ही हो गया था इनिशियली. उसके बाद मुझे ये समझ आया कि इट्स एवरीडे यू हैव टू लर्न हाउ टू ड्रीम मोर. तो सपने देखना सीखना कि ये अचीव हो गया तो अगला क्या. सो दैट इज आई where the career is headed, man. I'm trying to do everything. मैं कभी stand up करने लग जाता हूँ, कभी कुछ करने लग जाता हूँ, कभी कुछ करता हूँ. तो I'm just adding chapters to my story, man, and I need it to be a really thick book by the end of it. So yeah.
Surbhi, also one of your friends is getting married, Shraddha, and are you invited for the same? Will you be going?
No.
No,
a lot of my friends got married. Like that doesn't mean that I should also do the same. I will eventually.
No,
probably. I have no idea.
Going to attend the wedding?
No, it's a very private, small family function, and because of the pandemic issues, also it's very restrained to call as many people as you want.
But it's also your duty to understand this, and I'm glad you do. That it's your duty to crowd places.
Actually.
But I wish her all the love and luck.
I don't know her, but I will.
She's a very sweet girl. Yeah.
What are your upcoming projects, Surbhi, you're working on?
My upcoming project, I would rather name Ghana Kasuta only because I'm pretty much occupied with the promotions, and I really, really want to do that. As we've discussed before also, once you do a project, the main work starts after the release. Like, then you have to just tell people that it's out there. You have to do a lot of promotion.
Now, like we said, it's एक गाना बनाने के बाद भी बहुत प्रोसेस रहता है कि लोगों को उस गाने तक और वो पहुंचाने के बहुत अलग अलग जरिए होते हैं. जैसे आपकी we want your people, your listeners, your watchers to go to the song, and this is how we are trying to do it. So अभी तो वही काम चल रहा है. That is the future project.
Surbhi, did you ever feel the need of being a part of a reality show, be it like Big Boss or any other like that? You have did you ever if you were invited, if you've been called, and why?
I'm not competitor at all. Like you tell me to do the funniest and the most stupid thing to do, I will do that. But the moment you'll tell me, okay, now there are 3 of you, you have to do that and come first, I would just not do. I am not competitor. I don't know, it's a quality or a drawback, but I can't compete. So you really need a lot of competitive spirit to be in these reality shows. Not my cup of tea.
But if ever given a chance to be a part of any of these shows, would you participate?
Every season I get a call.
Wow.
But I had to say no because I don't have that goal in my
पैसा बढ़ाओ.
Huh?
सुरभि कह रही है पैसा बढ़ाओ.
Yeah, I hope the makers will be listening to this conversation, or I just have to thank them.
कॉल आता है हर साल.
I just have to thank them.
बजट बढ़ जाता है. सुरभि इज वेटिंग कि वो प्राइम बजट जब आएगा ना, जो मैं आई कर रही हूँ उस सीजन में, बिग बॉस यू गॉट.
I think they are also lying low on budget maybe. And Surbhi would come quite expensive because of course she's a very big name in the industry.
Wow.
But that's quite a nice conversation with both of you, and thank you so much for your time. Goodbye and all the very best.
Thank you,
Thank you
Samir.
so
It was
much.
lovely talking to you.
Adios.
Bye.